High above the clouds, reaching for the sky, stand the Himalayas. They are the highest mountains on Earth, a majestic range stretching over 1,500 miles. From the icy peaks of Nepal to the rugged slopes of Bhutan, the Himalayas dominate the landscape. These mountains are much more than just rock and ice. They are a source of life-giving rivers, a sanctuary for unique plants and animals, and a place of deep cultural and spiritual significance. But how did these colossal mountains come to be? To understand the birth of the Himalayas, we need to look deep beneath the Earth's surface. The Earth's outer layer, the lithosphere, is broken into several massive pieces called tectonic plates. These plates are in constant motion, drifting slowly over the Earth's mantle. Millions of years ago, the Indian subcontinent was not attached to Asia. It was a separate landmass, an island continent drifting northwards through the vast Tethys Ocean. This northward journey would have unimaginable consequences, setting the stage for one of the most dramatic collisions in Earth's history. As India continued its northward journey, the ancient Tethys Ocean began to close. The Indian plate carrying the Indian subcontinent was on a collision course with the Eurasian plate, the tectonic plate that holds much of Asia. This was not a gentle meeting. Around 50 million years ago, the two plates collided with incredible force. The land buckled, folded, and faulted under unimaginable pressure. The ocean floor began to rise, lifted by the unimaginable forces at play. This marked the birth of the Himalayas, a mountain range that continues to grow even today. The Himalayas are a testament to the immense power of Earth's tectonic forces. Even today, the Indian subcontinent continues to push northward, causing the Himalayas to rise by about 5 millimeters each year. This ongoing collision also means the region is prone to earthquakes, a reminder of the dynamic forces at work. The Himalayas are not just geographically significant, but are also an integral part of the cultures and traditions of the people who live in their shadow. The mountains are revered as sacred, a place of pilgrimage and spiritual solace. From the snow leopards that roam their slopes to the vibrant cultures that thrive in their valleys, the Himalayas continue to shape and inspire our world.